Mr. Klute, for our viewers and readers who may not yet know you, could you please introduce yourself and tell us a bit more of what Techo Titans is?
I'm Oki Klute, Director of Techo Titans based in the Western Cape of South Africa. Here from the southern tip of Africa, we operate within both the national and global landscape, focused on innovation, education, and future technological development.
What kind of events are you inviting people to join?
A journey into the future, a future that stretches beyond today, shaping generations yet to come.
What realities do you see when working on ground in schools and communities?
We spend much of our time in classrooms, clinics, offices, and rural areas. We see learners with enormous curiosity who have never touched a robotics kit, and patients waiting for hours on end in clinics, all highlighting the urgent need for meaningful technological innovation.
Can you share a moment that captures the impact of technology on young people?
One powerful moment was watching children flying drones for the first time and realizing that advanced technology is within their reach. Another is the quiet pride of a learner who won the October 2024 paper jet competition in Oudtshoorn. His smile spread wide across his whole face.
What did the Garden Route EdTech event reveal to you?
It shows us that even the most marginalized learners engage enthusiastically with technology when given access and opportunity. Potential exists everywhere. Access is the key.
Could you tell us a bit more of the core vision driving Tech O Titans?
Our vision is simple: to make the limitless opportunities created by technology accessible to everyone. Just as the Industrial Revolution transformed the world, a new technological revolution is unfolding, one that will touch every aspect of our lives.
What is the Tech Town event in Oudtshoorn and why does it matter?
TechTown is a live event coming to Oudtshoorn in July 2026, focused on the future of work under the theme From Cradle to Career. With the support of the Oudtshoorn Town Council, future technologies will be brought within the reach of the public, turning possibility into reality.
Finally, where can people find more information about Tech O Titans and the vision you've outlined for us today?
For comprehensive information, please visit our website www.techotitans.co.za.